Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will presentation about future perfect tense. Before we start, allow me to introduce the member of our group. First, Rahmawan Arifianto, 21024010187. Second, M. Ardian Permana Putra, 21024010191. Third, Remita Via Adisti, 21024010198. Fourth, Alda Sylvia Karismaning Tias, 21024010216. And the last, Faris Dwi Kuncoro, 21024010232. Next will be explained by my friend. Please, Alda.
The meaning of future perfect tense. The future perfect is a verb form or construction used to describe an event that is expected or planned to happen before a time of reference in the future, such as will have finished in the English sentence, I will have finished by tomorrow. It is a grammatical combination of the future tense or other marking of future time and the perfect. A grammatical aspect that views an event as pure and complete. Jadi, arti dari future perfect tense adalah bentuk kata kerja atau konstruksi yang digunakan untuk menggambarkan suatu peristiwa yang diharapkan atau direncanakan. For the next, please, Arif.
Function of future perfect. The future perfect tense refers to a complete action in the future. When we use this tense, we are projecting ourselves forward into the future and looking back at an action that will be complete sometime later than now. It is most often used with a time expression. Future perfect tense mengacu pada tindakan yang telah selesai di masa depan. Ketika kita menggunakan tense ini, kita memproyeksikan diri kita ke masa depan dan melihat ke belakang pada suatu tindakan yang akan selesai beberapa waktu kemudian dari sekarang. Hal ini digunakan dengan ekspresi waktu. For the next, please, Ardian.
So, the future perfect has three formula, namely positive, negative, and interrogative. Positive use the subject plus will plus have plus past participle. For example, she will have done it by this evening. Negative use the subject plus will plus not plus have plus past participle. For example, she will not have done it by this evening. And finally, interrogative use the will plus subject plus have plus past participle. For example, will they have finished decorate the fort before the parade? For the next, please, Via.
Okay, thank you, Ardian. There are two examples of sentence in the future perfect, namely regular verbs and irregular verbs. For regular verbs, to indicate the future perfect tense, make use of will plus have plus verb with ending in ed. And then, for irregular verbs, will it's best to define future perfect tense example with the formula will plus not plus have plus verb with ending in ed. Don't forget about our friend, the irregular verbs. Jadi, contoh kalimat untuk perfect tense ya ada dua, yaitu regular verbs dan irregular verbs. Jika regular verbs, baiknya memakai will plus have dan verb yang memakai ed di akhirannya. Dan jika irregular verbs, baiknya memakai will plus not plus have dan verb yang memakai ed di akhirannya. For example, two regular verbs is Jessica will have married Jerome by then. An example for irregular verbs is Kalista will not have friend by 10 o'clock. For the next, please, Faris.
Hello, my name is Faris Dwi Kuncoro, NPM 232. Rules of future perfect tense. When to use the perfect tense? Sometimes you can use the future perfect tense and the simple future tense interchangeable. In these two sentences, there is no real difference in meaning because the word before makes the sequence of events clear. When not to use the perfect tense, the future perfect tense is only for action that will be complete before a specific point in the future. In other words, the action you are talking about must have a deadline. If you don't mention a deadline, use the simple future tense instead of the future perfect tense. For the next alter,
There are three types for future perfect tense. The first to form the future perfect simple and then to form yes or no question in the future perfect simple tense for an. And the last one is to form a sentence in the future perfect progressive, for example in the following PPT. For the next will be explained by my friend Listvia.
Thank you, Alda. Example of future perfect for positive: my uncle will have worked in Jakarta by the end of this month. And then for negative, my uncle will not have worked in Jakarta by the end of this month. And the last one for interrogative, will my uncle has worked in Jakarta by the end of this month? Please next, Ardian.
We have some questions to the audience. Question 1. By the time I start my shift, Dr. Ida, for 18 hours straight, the answer time is 10 seconds right now. Okay, time is up. The answer is D. Question 2. By 2025, I hope research a cure of cancer. The answer time is 10 seconds right now. Okay, time is up. The answer is E. The last question. By this time next month, I hope they building the community center. The answer time is 10 seconds right now. Okay, time is up. The answer is B. Okay, that's all from our group. Sorry if there are any wrong word. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.